Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making safety and legality your primary concerns. Before you proceed, verify local laws and manufacturer policies that govern site replacement. You should make sure the firearm is unloaded and secured in a certified safe area. Do not attempt invasive work in an unsecured location. Once done, evaluate whether the supplied sight kit is compatible with your Glock 19, and decide if a qualified gunsmith is the right choice for installation to avoid damage or warranty voiding. If you choose professional help, pick a licensed gunsmith experienced with Glock pistols to ensure correct alignment and secure mounting. Explain that you want documented torque specifications and a check for sight-set screws or dovetail fit, and ask them to confirm the work will not void relevant warranties. Make sure the shop performs a functional safety check and provides paperwork showing what was done and why, so you have traceable records for safety and future maintenance. Once the sights are installed, you should verify fit and function without live firing, inspect alignment, secure seating, and set screw torque visually and with tools rather than forcing parts. If anything looks misaligned or loose, stop and return the firearm to the installer. Do not attempt forceful rework yourself because that risks damage or unsafe conditions. If a problem persists after a professional check, keep all documentation and have a qualified armorer perform correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.